Tiago here. Welcome back, guys, to another review. So, this is how I start my videos, talking to the camera and having my microphone in frame so that you can hear me. So today we're going to do a review of a different microphone. So we have the SYNCO D2 microphone. And this microphone is really good. Spoiler alert. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap from this one I have here, and I'm going to swap to the SYNCO D2, and I'm going to tell you all about the microphone in a few minutes. So I have changed my microphone. I'm not using the SYNCO D2 microphone. It's in frame, but you can take it out of frame if you want to. Sound is one of the more important things in the video, even more than video quality. With this said, let's see what it comes in the box. So, in the box you have a nice carrier box. Yes, because you can use this mic outside, not only in the studio. More on that later in the video. Inside, you have a XLR-M to XLR-F cable, one mic holder with a 5/8 or a 3/8 inches connector, so that you can put your mic on a mic boom, for example. You have the windscreen, your manual, and the mic itself. Let's see the mic more in detail. The D2 is well built and have almost an industrial feeling, but in a good way. Like you could drop it 1,000 times and it will be fine. It has a very thin slots over the body where the sound gets in. The SYNCO mic D2 is a hyper Cardioid design. Let's see some of the specs next. So, the SYNCO D2 is an XLR shotgun condenser microphone. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, with a sensitivity of -32 decibels. The signal-to-noise ratio is 80 decibels. It requires 48 volts of power to work and weighs 165 grams. The SYNCO D2 can be used indoors and also outdoors. You will need a 48 volts of power for it to work. Some cameras will have that option. In my case, I use the portable FunFam power. Next, you will be able to hear my audio test outside. Right guys, so we are now outside, and this is the sound of the SYNCO mic D2 outside. So it's a little bit windy outside, and you have the normal noises outside, so I'm hoping that will cancel all the noises and just be with my voice. When I was inside doing the test inside, it was really good, just because I have two big fans from the lights and it canceled all the noises. I was really impressed. I normally use Shure, and I was really impressed with the sound of this one. To use it outside, your camera needs to have phantom power. So this mic needs 48 volts to work properly. So my cameras don't have 48 volts, so I need to use a portable one. So I have a portable one with 48 volts, so for the mic to work properly. I'm hoping the mic has a good sound as it was inside. So if this mic has a good sound inside and outside, this is a must. This mic is a must to take everywhere. And it comes with this nice pouch. So as you guys can see, SYNCO thinks this is the mic to take outside, to take everywhere, and it is indeed. It's very small, as you guys can see, and the sound inside is amazing. So fingers crossed the sound outside is the same. So this mic is a hyper Cardioid mic. It's windy now. I don't know if you guys can see the plants moving. So it's windy outside, and let's hope it's cancelling all the wind noise. Let's go back inside and carry on with the review. Now that we have the indoor and the outdoor sounds, we can have a better opinion about the SYNCO D2. I have my limitations as a reviewer. I'm not a sound engineer, and my room is not a proper sound studio. With this in mind, I still have the opinion that this mic has a professional low noise floor. This mic sounds great for voiceovers work, and is a great mic for the money, no matter which way you look at it. Solid build and great sound. With the SYNCO D2, you can have a broadcast level sound at a very affordable price. And that's it guys, this was our review on the SYNCO D2 microphone. With this said, Tiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.